Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a handy tutorial for all you Instagram users. So we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to change your username right from your desktop. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Instagram account. The first step is to make sure you're logged into your Instagram account on your PC. If you're not already logged in, go to Instagram.com and enter your username and password. Step 2. Access your profile. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture or your profile name. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Click on Edit Profile. Next, we'll want to edit our profile. Look for the Edit Profile button and click on it. Step 4. Change your username. First, click Personal Details. And the Choose Your Profile, and I choose Kubaib Shah. Then click Username, and then Instagram username. Here you can change various details about your account. To change your username, locate the username field and simply type in your new desired username. Step 5. Save your changes. Once you're satisfied with your new username, click on the Done depending on what Instagram is displaying at the time. Maybe for security reasons, Instagram might ask you to verify your password before making the change. If prompted, enter your Instagram password. Congratulations! If everything goes smoothly, you'll see a message confirming that your username has been changed successfully. Your new username will now be visible on your profile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.